Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam ba 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 bam ba ba bam ba ba bam ba 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 bam ba bam ba ba bam. नमस्कार
నమస్తే
నమస్కార
వణకం
ఖుషామదీ
అస్సలాముఅలైకుం
సత్యకాల్
మీకందరికి వందనములు
जय स्वामीनारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेन्द्र
मैं इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद
मलाली मतलब बोलते सारे फिजिए मतलब बोले कि नहीं संबला बरजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं से फालतू बाबा
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो दैट्स गोना बी टोटली एक्साइटिंग एंड टोटली बसारी बजारी
टूरा बरजान ऑफ कोर्स आज हमने लेके आए हैं फैशनिस्टा फ्राइडेज देखो यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज वन थिंग फालतू रानी
हाँ
फैशन बोले तो थैंक्स टू ऑल द फीमेल्स
हाँ
मेल को क्या फैशन बोले नथिंग
क्या कुछ भी men also have fashion okay
No, I don't think so.
Huh?
Women are more fashionable than men.
oh really
I agree with you on this.
you agree with me on this
Oh, yeah, no, you.
I never said it
You're
I said
disagree.
I asked
You're
you really
disagree. No, I think women are meant for fashion only. Because women are the people who are bringing the fashion part of it.
अच्छा
Because women say men should be fashionable, men become fashionable.
अच्छा
There wasn't that way. In fact, there was a time when men were thought to be very fashionable, especially the rich people, all right?
Huh.
The like stilettos, right? Stilettos are something which invented by the French
right
for the royal people.
really
Yeah.
I didn't know that
Oh, you know that Napoleon, know how tall he was? 5 feet. He had issues, so he wanted to look tall.
So they made it for men first, is it?
Yeah, and then women took over.
Oh God.
But anyway, people like me don't require because we already have towering personalities. But anyway, father, the point is people like you will require it anyways. But I don't think you use stilettos, do you? You don't require it, right?
Whatever, man.
You use platforms.
You think it's very funny.
Well, आज Banaja, we're going to talk about all the fashionista, all the fashion statements made by our Indian cinema heroines.
Huh.
How about the Faltoni?
Huh.
Today's March, right? March ka film, we're going to stay with the theme of women, right?
Right.
Mahila March, right?
Right.
So, Banajan, आज we're going to recognize all the fashion trends brought out by our Indian leading ladies. How about that, Faltoni?
Hindi film industry.
Hindu film industry, yeah? What did you say? What? You're drinking something on air. How
I'm drinking
bad.
water on air.
Gross.
What's a big
Faltoni,
deal?
did you know that actually it's not good to be doing all this stuff on the mic? What happened to all your mic etiquettes?
Mikey tickets.
Yeah.
Whatever. Go man.
There's something like etiquettes, radio etiquettes, and mic etiquettes.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, but right now let me tell you, we're going to talk about the fashionistas. Now I'll tell you, Faltoni, going back in time, right?
Huh.
And somewhere in the 40s, 50s now, right?
Huh.
That is when I think our Indian women started, what should I say, heroines,
Huh.
started making those fashion statements.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Starting with the concept of, the first person that comes to mind, we talk about fashionable, right?
Right.
There's one heroine I totally think, really was kind of simple at the same time, classic kind of a thing.
Right.
You know who?
Who?
Nargis.
That's Nargis, fashionista.
Yeah, let's ask our bandhus. Well, you can think of Nargis being as a fashionista.
Yeah.
If you know, were you there by the time? I don't know, but actually the record about her
Huh.
states that she definitely was a fashionista in every sense.
Right.
तो बनजान सर्च के आप कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479. Nargis actually is very beautiful. At the same time, she was very sophisticated to look at also, right?
Right.
So she had the kind of a thing. She used to actually, she had a certain style about her.
Right.
If you guys
Exactly.
can identify what it is, give us a call 4089122479.
आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम तुम मिले तो वीरानी में भी आ जाएगी बहार झूमने लगेगा आसमान झूमने लगेगा आसमान.
And of course, Bhajan Shankar Jaikishan की music direction बन जा along with Lata Mangeshkar's beautiful voice and men's voice में आएगा Manada.
के बाद लगता नहीं है दिल यहाँ लगता नहीं है दिल यहाँ.
भीगी भीगी रात में दिल का दामन
Hi, Faltrani. I don't think people know about the kind of fashion statement Nargis ji brought across. Faltrani, have you read the same document I did, right? So what do you think?
The same document I read, it seems.
Of
What?
course.
It is pretty simple. But Jan, if you think about it,
See,
right?
Faltrani, I'll tell you what. We only can know about it in the document or somebody telling us about it.
Ah.
We definitely were not there at the time when she was famous in that on screen, right?
Right.
So
right.
how would we know otherwise?
How would
You
we,
would write a document, obviously, right?
we watched those movies now? Those
Yeah. Oh my God, Faltrani. Are you telling me you actually watched all the black and white movies of Nargis ji? All.
No.
Now then, my God, Huawei started to make comment on whatever I say. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's okay. I have to, put up with what my student always does for me. Faltrani, you were saying something about Nargis ji's style of, or other fashion statements.
Yes, Altavava. I wanted to talk about when we're talking about fashionistas of Bollywood, right? It could be everything ranging from their makeup to their wigs to their hairstyle
yeah.
to the outfits that
The
they used
outfits
to
they
wear.
were, yeah. And
So in Nargis ji's particular case, right? One thing that stood out about her, if you actually look at every single movie of hers almost, is the simple sari draping.
oh,
Very simple draping of the sari. It wasn't that pinned up sari kind of thing. It wasn't that
like a wraparound.
yeah, and it wasn't one of those heavy brocade, those kind of saris. Very simple saris with like Victorian style blouses.
Most of what I say is a fashion statement which I felt of Nargis ji, right?
Huh.
You're right about the fact that yes, wherever the role demanded her to be like a Indian, nice, docile kind of a thing, she does that thing. But one thing is there, I think she was the person who brought in the concept of Bikhre Bikhre Bal.
Bikhre. I thought it was Madhubala who brought that in.
Really?
Yeah, even
Very
Madhubala had
interesting.
that look of that, Bikhre Hue
But
Zulf.
Madhubala had that, that kind of a curly thing, right?
Yes.
On the forehead, but in this case...
In those days, by the way, Altavava, Mahima ji used to tell me that they used to like make it like that and they used to stick it.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I
so
need
that
to do
it
that.
looks like some folks, some of us have that. We have that, what do you call, the baby hair, which kind of gives those, little kids have those curls, right? Which gives that youthful look to it. In those days, it seems they used to actually do this for the heroines.
Oh, really?
Yeah, हाँ. देखो, आप actually जाके देखो, एक मधुबाला का कोई भी headshot देखो, you'll see that it looks like a stuck thing on her hair, on her face. Like they would have cut a portion, or they would have done this, and then it would have been stuck like that. So that was one of the, yeah, you're right, the Bikhre Hue. I think with Nargis ji, that cut that she had, right?
Yeah, the bob cut.
Yeah, sort of like that type of a haircut was something that was popular amongst during that time.
But
so,
are you sure Madhubala actually was that kind of was known for that thing, or she was the person who had Bikhre Zulf, is it?
yeah, Bikhre Hue Zulf.
Interesting. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting.
Madhubala actually was also a fashionista in the sense that of all the heroines of that time, right? Nargis ji ka mainly saris the. In all her movies, if you notice, it'll be a very simple sari kind of thing that she drapes around, and there's not much aplomb to it. You know what I mean?
What? Plum to it.
Well,
Wait,
you know what I
one
mean.
second. One second, Faltrani, please. Hello? Mr. Shashi Tharoor? Hello, sir. What does aplomb mean? Oh, he said aplomb, he told me.
Aplomb chaplama. What did he tell
What
you?
does aplomb mean, Faltrani? Come on.
Altu Baba, don't
Shashi
you...
Tharoor is not telling you what aplomb is.
It's like, it did not have too much of that, what do you call, overemphasis. It was like very simple. It's like flowing kind of sari. Like, what you drape
Oh,
as a
plum means emphasis. Plum means
no, man.
emphasis.
Oh, God. Well, okay, let me tell you. Who signified? Madhubala signified aplomb.
Hey.
Yeah, she wore her dresses with aplomb. If you notice, all her, midis ka concept tha na,
yes,
she
yes,
used to be
yes.
the person who brought the midi, the mid-length dresses concept to Indian cinema.
Yeah, and I
she
know
was
a
the next-
beautiful song which actually showcases that, Faltrani.
Her midi, is it?
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay.
You want to listen to it?
Yeah, of course.
No, I try to bring in the case of, the video element to the whole audio to the whole thing, right?
Uh-huh.
So here you go, Bajan. Enjoy the song. सुरेंद्र पाल जी, we not come to साधना as yet. तब आएंगे काट देंगे. Sorry, साधना कट देंगे. Balajan, dekho, notice the dash is very Fatwani, right there. So can you see it on screen, Fatwani?
Yes, of course,
Yes,
I can.
you can, right there. Fatwani is right in front of you here, Fatwani. What are you talking about? My God, kahan jhaan ke dekh rahi hai yahi pe? Oh my God. Anyway, Balajan, think this is the kind of dress she was wearing, right, Fatwani? So right now, Balajan, we got a little more of the song. We're gonna go on a quick segment break. We'll be back right after that, Balajan. This is the Fashionista Fridays. All right, Balajan, right now it's time for us to go into a segment I told you that we got to look out for, which is very interesting, Balajan. We actually have with us on air Uma Shankarji and Anandji from Livermore Temple. Let me welcome them. Uma Shankarji, welcome. How are you doing?
Good, Altu Baba. Thank you so much for having us here.
It's an absolute pleasure to have you on air. Welcome, Anandji, to you as well.
Yeah, namaskar.
And of course, Balajan, people who don't know about them, they actually are the people who are working in the background, Balajan. I'm talking about people who are actually making things happen for many people out here in the community. We know COVID time has been really hard for many of us, and some people have lost their jobs. Some people actually have, lost the loved ones as well to the pandemic. And but nevertheless, what happens is life goes on, and there are organizations like the Livermore Temple, which actually is doing an excellent job in this space. So let me first welcome, Anandji, and ask him. I quickly want to ask you, Livermore Temple. Tell us more about the fact that this pandemic, was there any changes in the services which is happening? I know almost a year ago, right? It's almost a year since we had a close down and everything, and the temple had shut down for some time. Correct?
Yes. Namaskar once again, and thanks, Altu Baba, for having us on your show. Yes, it's exactly a year now. During March middle last year, we went into this shutdown, and ever since the temple has been shut down. But the main important thing is the religious services were always being offered by the priests, and rituals that had to be continued to be offered to the gods were continuing to be done, and completely shut down for a couple of months for all devotees. But the good thing was the technology came handy, and we were live streaming almost all the events that were happening at the temple for the devotees who felt that they were missing.
Yeah.
So we had to keep that up, and that was on the cards. And right now, temple is open with county regulations. So distancing, masks come mandatory. All those things are in place, and we are allowing devotees to take appointments to visit if they feel like.
Yeah, and of course, let me tell you one thing, Balajan, the temple of ours, the Livermore Temple, which is a pride of our Bay Area, I should say, more like a landmark. It's not just a place of worship or place of spiritual, I would say, well-being. I would say they also do a lot to the community. So I want to bring on Uma Shankarji, who actually is the chairperson of the Human Services. Now, I do know that, for the past few years, you've been offering this thing. Human Services is doing something called the Grant in Aid. And I do know of some organizations which have been benefited by these grants. Tell us more. Was this still available for organizations last year, and what's happening with the grant and aid this year as well?
Yeah, sure, also, Baba. So, we are blessed and fortunate that Livermore Temple, SCCC, Human Services has been blessed to come forward and provide grants to organizations, both local and international, in the fields of education, humanitarian, like natural disasters that are happening around local and international, and education related. So we've been giving away grants every year since 1984, and by the help of donors, by help of blessings of everyone, we still continue, and we have the Grant in Aid program tomorrow actually at the temple, where we have already identified about 28 organizations, both local and international, who are serving. Every organization, as you just called out, is going through tough times, and whatever we would like to do, we are going to be helping the organizations by providing smaller grants to about 28 organizations. So that's scheduled for tomorrow.
Wonderful. So, Bandajan, if at all you are wondering what this grant and aid is, I'll tell you what. Go to the website, livermoretemple.org. In fact, I'll post this particular link for you guys right now on this video as well. Go check it out. You actually can get more information about that for sure. It's very commendable that you guys are doing this, even in spite of this. I know even the temple itself is kind of, I don't want to use the word, it is hard for even the temple, right? Because operations-wise, even people coming to temple are stopped. But still, you guys have kept it going. Any reason behind that? Anandji or Umashankarji, either if you can take that question.
Yeah, let me take this. Basically, yes, the temple is hit very hard, but then, we call human services as one of the 4 pillars of the temple.
Wow.
So, in offering the religious services, human services happens to be one of the pillars, along with youth and education and cultural. So, we can't let one pillar fall off.
Correct.
Even though it hit very hard and wanted to reach out to almost everyone, like as you initially said, right? Everybody is hit very hard.
Yeah.
And little the temple can do. And as basically very thankful to the temple management for allowing to do this year in this pandemic times as well. Great temple and temple devotees.
Yes, and actually, Bandajan, I'll tell you what, go to the website. I'm going to post it up right now on screen right now. If you're watching us on Facebook or YouTube, you can go check out the screen right now. They actually have the most recent event coming up as well. And if you want to go check out, it's livermoretemple.org. We'll put the link for you guys there. And also, you can see the most current event happening, Mahashivratri coming up. Bandajan, it's actually ending as of, I think, last night, I suppose. But if you want to donate, what I want to show about that is, Bandajan, if at all you want to be part of this particular good deed which they're doing in human services, you too can contribute, and you can also get the positivity which they are trying to spread out to the community, Bandajan. So by doing this, go to the website livermoretemple.org and definitely donate over there for sure.
Yeah, thank you, Alto Baba. So in addition to grant in aid, right, the HCCC is also very active since last 12 months. We never stopped, we never closed doors for all the virtual activities. Like we have seniors meeting every other week. We have programs for them. We bring in health experts, we bring in spiritual leaders, we bring in experts who can keep them engaged, So the seniors love this, and the golden agers have been attending as well. So in addition to that, we are also providing scholarships to Livermore School District. We are providing the food drives in the last few months in conjunction with alignment with organizations like Seva International, like programs that are helping the community. So I would say we never stopped, and we would like to continue. And thanks to the Bay Area community and the wider community who are helping Temple from many years, and they have continued to help.
That's true. And Umashankarji, before we go, I had a question for you. Right now, we've heard that the restrictions have been eased up. So, are there any specific for the devotees to come and attend the temple? Are there specific timings, or could you share something about that, please?
Yeah, absolutely. So devotees can still take appointment, as Anandji mentioned earlier. They can take appointment, they can have darshan, they can go inside, but please follow the guidelines with masks and social distancing. Definitely, there is nothing stopping them from going and having darshan.
So Anandji, thank you so much. Again, Anandji, please tell us any going away thoughts for you before we close out today.
No, I think, as I said, I think human services depends on the donations that devotees give to the temple. So really encourage all the folks who are in IT, they could do a matching donation to the human services cause. So if they could do that, that would definitely help the temple do many more such services to all the needy locally and internationally as well.
That's right, Banjan. If you want to get to donate all those, donate anything for this particular temple organization, Banjan, go to the website, livermoretemple.org. You can see the website. I'm just scrolling up for you guys on our video screen right now. It is the Shiva Vishnu temple over here, Livermore, Banjan. It's a landmark in itself, and it's been in existence for almost 40 years, close to 40 years right now. And if you want to donate, go to the website, livermoretemple.org. And yes, you too can become a volunteer, like how Umashankarji and Anandji started off as volunteers, and now they're taking the lead on these human services initiative of the temple. I want to thank both of you, Umashankarji and Anandji, for coming on air and talking to our bandhus today, and we hope to sometime see you in the temple with, of course, social distancing and everything. Thank you so much for joining in today with the call.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
all. Thank you.
And of course, if you want to get more information about the discussion we just had about the GIA, that is the Grant in Aid, you can go to the website livermoretemple.org. But again, that's livermoretemple.org. And right now, Faltrani, we got to get back into our what happened here? Kuch to hua, Faltrani.
Kuch to hua hai.
There you go. We're back. Okay, there you go. So
Yeah.
right now, Faltrani, what's you were talking about fashion. Let's jump back into our theme, right? So what is the theme going to be? Again, it's Fashionista Fridays.
For those of you just joining us and you're wondering what, you were just talking about COVID and Grant in Aid and the Livermore Temple.
That we keep doing up and down. That's okay.
And then you're talking about fashionistas. Well, Banijan, we've got to strike a balance, right? We've got to be as
we're not here to strike a balance, but we're here.
between the spiritual and the material.
Hey, we're here to tip the balance. We're here to make sure you guys can think of multiple things at the same time. Yeah, come on, it's so boring to talk about the same old thing.
Right, exactly. So today we're talking about keeping in line with our women's celebration, Banijan. One thing that women are very, very popular for is our sense of style and sense of fashion. And the way we wear, whatever we wear with total aplomb. Now, Alta Baba is going to wonder again, why the heck is that her word of the day?
No, it's okay, Fateh. I learn very fast.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I'm a fast learner. Fateh.
Okay, what is aplomb?
Aplomb means somebody like, our Madhubala, who was aplomb in wearing dresses.
No, she wore dresses with aplomb.
Exactly.
Oh, God.
Yeah, and if at all you have a plum in your hamburger, it will be aplomb.
Plum.
What? A plum? You know, plum?
Whatever
That
not.
eating fruit, the fruit. You can have a plum in your hand also and become aplomb.
But that's true. That Madhubala was another fashionista who totally carried off, with equal ease, like a midi or a dress.
Yeah.
And at the same time, a beautiful anarkali with with all the works like in the
Yeah.
movie Mughal-e-Azam.
Okay,
right?
how about if we throw a challenge to our bandhu right now?
Yeah.
Right? We talked about ease. Now I'll talk about something which is going to be far from ease. Okay. This particular person probably had a production unit which actually did not give any money for her.
Why?
So she actually had to wear her sarees very tight, and then it automatically became a hit.
What?
Yeah, her tight pants, right?
Ah.
Tight sarees, Patajan. That was something which she is credited to her. She wore those sarees with aplomb? No. With aplomb? No.
No, she could carry off a sari. I mean,
With aplomb?
to think of whatever, man. Seriously, this actress is I think we're talking about the same thing, right? She totally rocked a skin tight, a figure hugging orange brocade sari.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. With this pallu that barely covers anything, but at the same time doesn't look obscene in any which way.
Yeah, especially when she wore it.
Yeah, when she wore it. And
Yeah.
Mahima ji used to say she's one actress who had absolutely no extra inch of flesh anywhere.
Well,
He just looked so elegant, even in the most figure hugging of dresses.
a hint for you guys to give us a call here. 408-912-479 is this audio bit.
Yeah, here you go. कान लगा के ध्यान से सुनिएगा.
That's it.
That's it.
I'm not going to give anything more. You will know exactly who I'm talking about. Give us a call here. 408-912-2479.
कॉल
Again,
करना है.
audio hint. That's it, Balajan. 408-912-2479. Call karna hai. 408-912-2479. That's it, Balajan. I won't give anything more. If at all you don't give a call, I'll keep playing this bit only for you guys. So here you go.
Deepa and Meenakshi Facebook answers don't work.
Balajan again. 408-912-2479. The music bit you're going to hear for the rest of the evening is going to be just this. That's it, Balajan. 408-912-2479. I kid you not. I'm known for doing this. I'll play only this bit the rest of the show.
Hey,
What?
आगे बजाना रे. क्या है?
Why? That's all I'm going to play.
तू
People
ज़्यादा
should-
से लगा ऐसे करेगा ना आलतू बाबा मैं
हाँ.
तेरा बजा डालेगी अभी.
Yeah, no,
Seriously.
excuse me.
हाँ.
But Jan, that is all I can give you the hint. Who is this particular beautiful lady who actually started out the fashion trend of wearing sari tights, Patajan? No, not tight inside saris like nowadays people wear it, right?
Huh.
Nowadays people actually wear tight inside saris, Faltran. You know why? They can't handle a petticoat. So that lady wore tights as a sari itself. Or the sari is tight itself. So here you go. Who is this person? The audio hint for you is this. And of course, number to call you 408-912-2479. मैं तो आगे नहीं बजाने वाला फालतू नहीं.
बंदूजान जल्दी कॉल करो 408-912-247-9 तू फोन उठा.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्ट स्वागत है फैशनिस्टा फ्राइडे में. Who's this? Hello.
हेलो पैम पैम, आप ऑन एयर है जी. कौन बात कर रहे हैं?
हेलो, नमस्कार पैम पैम में आपका स्वागत है. Who's this?
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार की चर्चे हर ज़बान पर,
अच्छा,
सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई.
यकीन नहीं होगा. आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार की नहीं, आज तेरे मेरे दुश्मनी की चर्चा हर जबान पर. हाँ, आजकल तेरे मेरे दुश्मनी की हर जबान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको
नहीं वो
खबर
ये सब भी वो दुश्मनी फिट नहीं बैठा.
हाँ.
नोट ताल स्केल के हिसाब से.
ए बिठा देंगे यार, डोंट वरी. देखा फिर से अगेन यू हैव टू से समथिंग उल्टा फॉर मी. दैट्स राइट. बट you got the song right, but who's the heroine?
मुमताज.
Mumtaz Mammu baby.
Mumtaz. That's absolutely right.
So have you ever tried that tight saree there, Deepa?
अरे नहीं बाबा, वो देखने के लिए इतना तकलीफ होता है. वो पता नहीं डांस कैसे करते थे.
No, but she should dance so well, yeah.
Actually, महिमा जी told me, दीपा, उस जमाने में ऐसे कुछ petticoats भी ऐसे ही बनते थे, because even जो कुछ gowns होते थे, right?
So it'll be like
apparently
filled with the knees, huh?
it'll be tight till here.
Till the knee. And
So
then
it's almost like जैसे हमारे जो spanks आते हैं, right? So
like
till
gowns
the-
रहेंगे ना, like
हाँ.
body fitting gowns.
हाँ, so it'll be tight till your knee, and then it frills. It spreads out.
so basically you can dance, Deepa.
You can dance. So your knee, below your knee, it's free.
So you can fold
dance
your
with-
calf and all stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can even do squats with that.
No, but you need to have a figure to be able to have that kind of like a flat belly
Oh
and.
my God.
Yeah,
Deepa, see
exactly.
what she's saying.
Yeah.
Hey, Deepa has got a wonderful figure. Okay, what are you talking about?
Oh God, you're commenting on that on air.
What did I do?
Oh God,
You
कुछ
just
भी
the
बोलेगा ये
way you
लड़का,
said it.
बाप रे.
Oh my, hello, you were the one started it, right?
देखो शर्म नहीं आती आलतू बाबा. I don't know.
You
अमेरिका
don't
में
know?
muffin tops, whipping tops ये सब आ गए हैं.
Muffin top also is a nice look actually. It's good, very nice. So who do you think is muffin top, by the way? Look at me and tell me that.
Don't
Yes,
you
I have muffin top. So what?
No,
I wear my muffin top with pride.
that is not muffin top.
Yes.
That's like donut top.
That's burger top. Yeah, I look like burger
अरे
top.
आलतू बाबा,
Yeah.
ये फैशन की बातें तुम फालतू रानी को छोड़ दो.
हाँ. क्यों?
अच्छा, तो I'm not fashionable, huh? Oh my
Deepa,
God.
what are you talking? He's the one who tells you like, oh Deepa, nice earrings.
Oh.
It's okay,
हाँ, नहीं
Deepa.
वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ बाबा.
Deepa,
ये
I am
कपड़े
not-
like muffin top, like boat neck, वो बोल रही हूँ मैं.
Deepa, fashion comes, fashion goes, but Altu Baba is here forever. I know what you're saying. Okay, fine. Cool. So I'll leave it to Faltu right now.
हाँ हाँ.
That's
ठीक
true.
है ठीक है.
Hey, so, according to you, Deepa, any
हाँ.
has it ever happened in your life that you went and bought something or you wanted to buy something which a cinema heroine wore or had on like that? Were you influenced by the fashion?
Yes yes.
Which one?
Oh, good that you asked this question. मुझे अभी याद आया.
I'm always good
तो
at it.
वो मतलब जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते थे उधर इतने फैशन के चर्चे नहीं होते थे. लाइक आई मीन दैट टाइम. अभी सब चल रहा है.
Uh-huh.
But I remember buying those, like there was a trend like parallel pants जैसे आया था.
Uh-huh.
It was like not pant actually. It was the dress itself is like that.
Uh-huh.
It's more of a pant and a suit, but it's kind of the very trendy style.
Oh.
तो किसी ने नहीं लिया था कॉलेज में. सिर्फ मैंने और मेरी बहन ने लिया था.
हाँ हाँ तो
So
फालतू
we
नहीं
wore
कभी
that and
हाँ.
everybody complimented. Everybody was asking like, where did you buy
Where
this
did
and
you buy?
that? So
Faltoni का ऐसे ही है. Faltoni also was like,
क्या?
oh my God, I want to buy the baggy pants and that, you know, the white kurta. I want to look like that particular Jabzi mat thing. I know what he did.
In that she doesn't wear baggy pants, okay?
Something
those
she
are
wears
those are what salwars are
No,
they?
t-shirt,
baggy-
long t-shirt.
baggy अलग
No,
है.
no.
I'm
No,
talking
those are
about
called
the
Patiala
parallel
salwars.
pants.
Whatever, and he did
Different.
long t-shirt.
and a
Faltoni is
long-
a long t-shirt. Faltoni is long
Yeah,
t-shirt.
Yeah.
they call it straight cut here in US, but it's more of parallel.
Yeah.
They used to call parallel pants.
Oh.
here.
No, they're not parallel pants. The ones she wears in Jab We Met are not parallel ray. Those are patialas that she wears. The
वो नहीं वो बाद में आया. नहीं,
और
that
धोती
is a
salwars.
harem, that is a dhoti pant. That's totally
Dhoti
different.
pants. That's what he's talking about.
Oh, dhoti pants, you don't have to wash it, is it? Because it's dhoti, is it?
What?
तो पैंट धोती नहीं धोती.
छी,
भगवान.
Yeah, dhoti pants, washable pants. Well, probably yes. You never know.
yeah.
Acha, by the way, very good. Thank you so much for calling in today and sharing it. So you're saying that you actually tried this baggy pants, not baggy pants, parallel pants and something kurta, right?
Yes, parallel pants. Or
Ah.
yeah, like DDLJ dress.
DDLJ. There's a DDLJ dress also for
Yes,
that.
yes, that was such a huge
Wait.
hit.
The
सबके
DDLJ.
पास एक हो गया.
Oh,
बात में.
yeah. I know what this talking about.
Ah.
I know what this the mini skirt one she dances in the backyard. That one, right?
What mini skirt she dances in the
अरे,
backyard?
you?
DDLJ
नहीं,
does.
नहीं.
Hello?
What?
DDLJ is how much we can come.
What? Which bag?
She says she wore that the mini skirt with the
Alto
DDLJ. Huh? What?
बोलने तो दो.
हाँ.
You just remember only that dress from that movie. Seriously.
I at least remember a dress at least, no? That was more than a dress also, by the way. Huh? Wait, that's not the dress
नहीं
you're
नहीं
talking
नहीं
about?
वो DDLJ dress where she's wearing that kind of dress throughout the movie. That in एक टी-शर्ट उसके ऊपर एक ऐसे लंबा सा स्कर्ट, sorry maxi kind of a dress. That's DDLJ dress करके famous हुआ था.
Hey, what? Yeah, no, DDLJ. Farida Jalal is there in the movie, right? Farida Jalal is there in the movie and she's dancing in the white color thing. And what's the song? What's the song for Dhani in the rain?
Farida Jalala.
Farida Jalal is not very shit. What's her name? Kajol is very good.
Tanuja is very
No, Kajol's daughter. That's all, Kajol.
तुम्हें भी याद नहीं, सिर्फ ड्रेस याद है.
Deepa, I'm
उसमें
thinking.
टॉवल पहनी है. तू क्या बात कर रहा है? She's just wearing a
ये
towel.
प्रणब जी का कॉल आएगा सीरियसली. हाँ.
Hey, towel is worn by Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Kapoor, not her.
अबे नहीं, she's wearing a yellow color.
वो पहले उसने किया है तो कुछ भी.
Acha, towel was done by her before, is it?
Yeah, she's wearing
I
a
hope they
yellow.
washed it before they used it.
It's with a yellow towel, right? She's got a yellow.
I don't
towel.
know all those things. But I know she wore a white color mini skirt which she was dancing around the rain. And I thought Deepa wanted to wear that, I suppose. Okay, anyway. Deepa, it's fine, doesn't matter. It's okay. Still can wear it, no problem. Nobody's going to say anything, Deepa. Don't worry about it. I'll close my eyes. But Deepa, thank you so much. So good. DDLJ dress is what you liked. Yes, wonderful. And
DDLJ का ओके DDLJ का गाना है ना न जाने मेरे दिल को क्या हो गया वो प्लीज आप प्ले करो if you want.
वाह,
If you
sure,
can.
sure.
Because
अरे.
that started the trend.
Oh, that's the boat neck frilly blouse, the peasant blouse, right?
It's called a peasant
With,
blouse, huh?
Yeah, it's called a
नहीं नहीं
peasant.
उसने ड्रेस पहना है वो घर वापस आती है ना.
dress पहना मैंने इधर छोटा बोला
लेके
कुछ
जाती
पहना
रहती
है.
है ना. That's the
Hello?
dress I'm talking about.
अगर ड्रेस ने पहना तो सेंसर हो जाता है यार. Won't come on screen. आप भी सही में यार.
वो
dress-
सूटकेस लेके जाती है ना रोड पे कुछ भी.
हाँ,
अब
ठीक
तो
है,
बाबा
ठीक है,
तुम
ठीक
पहले
है.
जाके मूवी देखो बाद में मुझे.
Ah, that's a
मैं
peasant
explain करूंगी.
blouse.
It's called a peasant blouse, it seems. So that's not a trend setting though, right?
That is.
She
No,
looks so
that was
ordinary.
the trend. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना वो इतना फेमस हो गया यार.
Deepa, I
वो
can
dress.
imagine you wearing the dress, Deepa. Seriously. See, Deepa,
I think we've seen Deepa in something. Like
Deepa, you wore this skirt, something like this, Deepa? You probably have already, right?
हाँ.
You have worn this skirt. Not the one which is in the balcony. No, I'm talking about this dress.
Oh, no.
What? Why is she so scared about the dress? It's nice though, Deepa.
हाँ वो तो है. नहीं हम लोग छोटे से शहर में रहते थे यार तो बाबा ऐसा नहीं मिलता था.
छोटे शहर में छोटे-छोटे कपड़े होते हैं अभी सही में. हाँ. तो आप एंजॉय करो दीपा जी. ये गाना सुना आपके लिए लगाने वाला हूँ. Nice.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
ये गाना सुनिएगा वर्जन फन द मूवी DDLJ. ए इसमें गाय का बेल था टुंग 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 टुंग.
मेरे को ये नहीं लगता कि she was a fashionista by any standard.
No, she's not.
Uh,
इसमें एक ही फैशन स्टेटमेंट है फालतू
क्या?
गाय का बेल.
नहीं इसमें शाहरुख खान का फैशन स्टेटमेंट है लेडी का नहीं है. शाहरुख खान का oversized leather jackets.
That is horrible. No,
Yeah,
unsmart it was.
I'm not that zamana. That was the style.
No, it was not.
Yes,
Amitabh
it
Bachchan
was.
had that leather jacket style.
Okay, God.
Yeah. But anyway, I think this movie brought in the fashion of every household having that particular cow bell. Tung, 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 tung.
दिल को क्या हो गया अभी तो यही था अभी खो गया ना जाने
Udit Naran ki आवाज Banjan along with Lata Mangeshkar and music by Jatin Lalit and lyrics by Anand Bakshi.
अभी तो यही था अभी खो गया
गया है तुझको तो प्यार सजना लाख कर ले तू इनकार सजना हो गया है तुझको तो प्यार सजना
मुझको तो प्यार सजना, लाख कर ले तू इनकार सजना, दिलदार सजना है ये प्यार सजना।
And that was one statement, yes, Falzani, but let's go back. We came back towards the 90s right now.
Yeah.
But there were so many fashion statements in the 70s, 60s, and nothing talked about those.
There was one particular fashionista, Altu Baba. She is even today remembered for that particular, for the fashion trends that she brought in. This particular actress के बारे में हमारे एक बंधु ने सुरेंद्र पाल जी ने भी post किया Facebook पे. And he talked about, this actress who had. So this actress actually had a pretty wide forehead. तो वो cover करने के लिए she brought in something called a fringe cut, which is basically like it became popular with her name later. If I tell you the name, then you'll know who the actress is.
We want you to call back. We have time.
It's like some people call it bangs. Actually, I don't call it a bang. I call it fringe because bangs are what I have. You see this? This is a bang.
Yeah.
And then the fringe is what nowadays people say even those are bangs, but it's like a little fringe that covers a certain portion of your forehead, which kind of shows like as if you're, if you have a wider forehead, it kind of covers that up. Now, this actress was really popular for this particular cut that she brought in. Aside from that, but it wasn't initially as soon as she came in. In her first couple of movies, you won't see it, but later on that was a trend. And then she brought in this trend of tight chudidars.
Tight chudidars?
Yeah. An exceptionally brilliant actress. She was very pretty also, petite also.
Did she have to stand a lot in the shooting?
I don't know.
That's why they wanted the blood circulation to go on the calf muscle.
I have no idea. But she was the one who brought in the trend of really tight chudidars.
Oh, nice.
So, who is this actress that we're talking about who became exceptionally popular and lives on even today because of the fact of that particular haircut or that hairstyle? Who brought in hairstyle along with stylish attire?
Yeah.
Who is this? 408-912-2479.
Let's
आपको इस नंबर
throw
पे
you
कॉल करना
off a little bit. We'll play the song from Mumtaz Biljan, but you got to tell us who the person is known for her haircuts.
जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करो बिरजन 408-912-2479.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
कल्याण जी, आनंद जी का म्यूजिक वर्जन रफी साहब के साथ में गाए हैं. You know who those female singers, Faltwani?
Who, man?
I'm asking you the question, Faltwani.
Asha? Lata? Asha Lata.
I don't know.
Suman Kalyanpur.
I think Suman Kalyanpur. But Faltwani, here's the thing. This is a song we played already for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the song. I enjoy playing it for you guys at least for a minute. But Saad, the cut which talked about.
हाँ.
Nobody could guess who it was.
Hey, seriously? क्या यार तुम
We're
लोग?
coming to a close-up program already, Faltwani, but you want to play a song of the person?
Yeah, the tight salwars came from this particular movie. Yeah.
You play a song?
No, you should play the song.
I can play a song for sure. She also actually dabbled in even direction, by the way.
Yeah.
A very talented person, by the way.
She's the person who had that beautiful, famous song, right?
Which song? She got a lot of famous songs, Faltwani.
Lag ja
Oh my God. Manoj Kumar, Gana. Sure.
Yes.
And of course, Benjamin, with this song, we're going to be signing out right now. Who's the person? Bol do, Faltwani. Bol do.
Sadhana Shivdasani.
Aha.
Yeah.
Oh, is Shivda Sunny related by any chance?
I don't know. Maybe they are.
Aftab Shivda Sunny.
Yeah, maybe he is.
That's why nepotism. My
I don't
God.
know. We don't know. Maybe not. We don't know. But anyway, another very pretty actress, Manishan. She was such a big fashionista that even today they call it the sadhana cut, the hairstyle that she brought in. So, Enzai.
Hello, namaskar. Pam Pam, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this? Hello.
हेलो पैम पैम, मैं ही बोल रही हूँ. मुझे लगा अभी शो खत्म होने वाला तो मैं आंसर दे देती हूँ.
Very good. मेही जी कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ही नहीं, दीपा है.
और दीपा कैसे है दीपा? सिर्फ मैं ही बोल रही हूँ.
मीनाक्षी के बदले में मैं कॉल कर रही हूँ.
हाँ
ठीक है?
बताना कौन है बताओ.
हाँ, साधना.
Very good. Thank you so much, Deepa, for calling us. Sorry, Meenakshi. Yeah. Hello.
हाँ.
Thank you, Deepa.
Thank you,
Because इसी के साथ Banujan, we're going to be stepping out straight right now, and we're going to allow the next show to come into the studio, Banujan, and more Lagme is coming up with a nice presentation for you guys. Stay tuned.